Hi, boys and girls. It's Laura the Teach. Today, our letter is G. Now, G does have two sounds that it makes. And remember, because it's a consonant, we're going to clip the ending. We're not going to say ga. We're going to say g or j. The letter G has a hard G that says g and a soft G that says j, sounding like the letter J. So to make the letter G, we want to make a fist, and then we're going to put our thumb out and our pointer finger out and turn our hand like this. So it looks like we're saying something is little, not gigantic. This is the letter G. Now, the hard G says g, g, like in the word go. So we're not going to say ga. We're going to say g, g. Keep that sound in the back of your mouth, in the back of your throat area. The soft G says j, j, just like the letter J. And so we could have the word giant. Now, G can be written in funny ways. I've got 3 examples of some fonts. So the capital G, the big G, typically looks like the same type of G, no matter how it's written. But the little g, the lowercase g, can be written in different ways. I call this a monkey tail. When we're having letters that we make a little loop, I call them monkey tails because it helps me to remember to take the tail down and curl it upwards. But sometimes you'll have really strange looking monkey tails and little tails up at the top. Don't be worried about that. That's still a lowercase g. Sometimes though, fonts make them look silly like that. So again, our G, it looks like we're making something little, okay? And so hard G says g, soft G says j. So some animals to help us, we're going to look at hard G first. We've got g, goat, goose, guinea pig, g, g. I'm keeping that sound in the back of my throat, g, g. Goat, goose, guinea pig. My soft G, remember, sounds like a J sound. So I have a gerbil, giraffe, German shepherd, J, J for soft G. Remember, clip those consonants. Hard G, G. Soft G, J.